Hello, I am Catherine. In this video, we are going to learn animal names from letters. Let's start. A for apes. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for hippopotamus. I for impala. J for jackal. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for numbat. O for ostrich. P for platypus. Q for quagga. R for rhinoceros. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for urial. V for vicuna. W for wolf. X for xeris. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Bye-bye.